Hello friends, today I'm going to unbox Xiaomi's new sub-brand phone. Name of the brand is POCO and this is POCO F1. 128GB variant with 6GB RAM. It is graphite black in color. I've ordered it from first sale of Flipkart. Let's get started. POCO by Xiaomi. Price written on the box is 24,999. However, on Flipkart, it has been listed with the price of 23,999. Main plus point of this phone is Snapdragon 845 processor with liquid cooling system, which even OnePlus 6 doesn't have. OnePlus 6 have same 845 processor, but they don't have liquid cooling system. It have AI powered camera with 4000 mAh battery with fast charging support. Let's quickly unwrap it. I love to do unboxing. I like this combination of yellow box with black upper part of the box. So POCO F1 is getting unboxed. Normal package. We have this POCO F1. This is the charger. I believe it's 3.0 certified. Yes, output is 5 volt 3 ampere, 9 volt 2 ampere, 12 volt 1.5 ampere. This is 18 watt charger. High quality cable. It's type C, friends. Yes, it is type C. The quality is good and the length is average. Now let's see how it looks. Let me remove the camera sticker. There's a red color circle around the camera lens which is giving it a unique look. It looks metal gray with silver color embedded name POCO. Few extra stickers which I will remove later on. It have a dual flash, again a dual camera, mirror finished fingerprint sensor. It feels metal while touching it. On top we have a 3mm audio jack and on left side we have hybrid slot. Bottom look is quite similar from other MI phones. Right side we have a volume power button. When I saw some other unboxing of this phone, I thought it is an ugly, but it is a good looking phone when you hold it in real. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hit like if you like this video. Your suggestions, you may leave it in comments below. I'm going to make a full depth review of this phone very soon and I will upload that video soon. Have a nice day.